friends, rise and shine. Guess what we are drawing today? The wheels on the bus go round and around. That's right, we're making a school bus. Let's go! Honk, honk! So we started by drawing the outer body of the bus and then the wheels, and now we are drawing the windows. Don't you love sitting at the window and looking outside at the trees and the town and the roads and the people? Awesome! Right, we're adding the tiny detail now, like lines and mirrors and headlights, because headlights go blink, blink. Oh, look! Our drawing is ready! And now comes the best part. Colours! We're starting with orange for the bottom of the bus, black for the lines and the wheels. And we'll also use black for the top of the bus. Quick and simple. Now we use lemon yellow for the headlights and sky blue for the windows. Look, the windows are super clean, spick and span. Brilliant! We'll see some lovely views from there. Now let's use grey for the mirror and the outline of the wheels. And let's not forget to add some shine to the windows by putting grey lines. Perfect! Finally, we are going to do the yellow body of the bus. Mornings are the best when you know your school bus is coming to pick you up. The best part of the day begins. What fun activities do you do on your way to school? Do you do games? Do you sing songs? Maybe crack some jokes? Perhaps a riddle or two. Ta-da! Our school bus is ready! Good morning, friends! Rise and shine! A bright sunny morning reminds me of a gorgeous sunflower. And here is its face. And let's not forget the petals. A sunflower looks fresh and gorgeous because of its big glossy petals. Awesome! Next, draw a stem and some leaves. And darken around the borders to make the sunflower shine even brighter. Fabulous! Let's paint! Now we're going to start with yellow for every other petal. Don't you feel like running around the sunflower field? Wow, it would be so beautiful. Perfect! Now a darker yellow for the other petals. Look how shiny and glittery it is. I love using a different shade of the same colour. It gives depth to the picture. Fantastic! Now let's go with brown for the face. You see, that's how we smile brightly when we see a sunflower. We're almost done. I think let's go with pink for rosy cheeks and the mouth. And green for the stem and the leaves. Yay, it's done! It looks so happy and shiny.
subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!